Join thousands of Catholics at St. Mary's University on Saturday, November 4th at 8 a.m. for the Archdiocesan Eucharistic Congress, the next milestone of our synodal journey focused on Eucharistic renewal. Guided by the theme, Jesus Christ, Nourishment for the World, we gather as a local church to share meaningful experiences founded in the Eucharist as the source and summit of our faith. Join us for Mass with Archbishop Gustavo, keynote presentations, a Eucharistic procession, and so much more. All are welcome. St. Mary's University, Saturday, November 4th, starting at 8 a.m. Register today.